guys, welcome back. Today's video I'm going to be showing you this glossy makeup look that is perfect for Valentine's Day, that isn't complicated and looks pretty amazing to be worn for a party or an event or date night. So if you are interested in this makeup look, keep watching. I'm going to start off with some skincare. So this is what I like to do when I need my base to be like super dewy, super glowy. I'm using the L'Oreal's eye serum and apply this all over my eye just to keep them well prepped. Then I'm spritzing my face with a little bit of rose water. I love using this before makeup. It smells so rosy, totally reminding me that Valentine's Day is in a few days. And for moisturizer, I'm using the Requil's moisturizer. It is a great moisturizer for dry skin and makes your skin super comfortable. So I am going to apply that all over my skin and massage it in as usual, just to get my skin all ready and prepped up for makeup. To prime my skin, I am using Maybelline's Dewy Primer. It is one of my favorite to get a smooth dewy finish, and I'm applying a decent amount all over. I'm going to go in with an extra step. This is going to make sure we have a really nice glowy, glossy skin. So I'm going to go in and add in a highlighter before the foundation. For this, I'm using Sugar's On The Glow liquid highlighter and apply this all over the high points of my face. This is going to give an extra glow once we put on the foundation. For my foundation, I'm using one of my favorites. It is Lakmé's foundation, and I love how soft and light this foundation is. It feels like I haven't put on anything. So I'm using a beauty sponge to blend in everything and keep it light so that the highlighter we put on in the previous step does not get concealed with a thick base. Next, I'm taking the Sugar Pop concealer and I'm going to blend it in with a damp beauty blender. This concealer is really nice, although it is a little drying, so you definitely do not have time to wait. If you like to wait for your concealer to dry up a little, do not do that with this one. Now I'm taking the Mars Compact Powder and slightly setting the under eye area and also all over my face, just to set everything so that nothing fades away. I'm going to go in with a bronzer. This is from the Physicians Formula and it smells so coconutty. I am loving the scent of this one, and I haven't seen something smell so nice. I don't know if it is just me, but this scent is amazing. So I'm adding this to my face to bring in warmth to the skin and to define the face. The formula is so soft and buttery. The shade gives a very natural finish and it is so smooth on the skin. For my blush today, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution's Ballerina blush and buffing it into my cheeks. It is a very cute Barbie doll pinky shade and I love it. But I'm not going all in with this one since it is a glossy makeup look, so the focus should really be on the highlight and gloss and all of that, if you get what I'm saying. To add in some more glow, I'm going in with the Wet n White highlighter and placing it on the high points of my face, on the top of my nose, cheekbones, chin. I'm taping my under eye to get a precise and neat eye look. This is such a time saver if you're running late or if you just want to be a lot more neat. To begin with my eyeshadow, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. I'm taking this deep black shade and do a half eyeliner look. Then I'm taking this gray shade and sort of lining my crease, my inner crease area, something this way. I'm going to use a fluffy eye brush and start buffing it in. I'm going to apply a little shimmer in the center and diffuse the edges. I'm using the grey eyeshadow again and apply this to my lower lash line as well. I'm going in with an eyeliner in the inner corners of my eye to give it a more sharper look. For mascara, I'm taking the Zen and Misa Blink It mascara and apply this to my lashes. I am using this mascara for the first time and it is a pretty nice affordable mascara. For lipstick today, I'm using the Revlon's lipstick in the shade Rum Raisin. This was literally sold out for a very long time and I'm super excited to put this on right now. It is super creamy and so stunning. The formula is non-sticky and feels so good on my lip. And to make it look even more fantastic, I'm going to top it off with a lip gloss. Since the lipstick is super creamy already, I am using my fingers to apply the gloss on. This is how it looks with the gloss on and I am absolutely so onto this look. It's so perfect, easy to do. I really hope you guys enjoyed and liked this makeup look. If you did, do like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful Valentine's Day. I will see you very soon.
Are you staying in or are you down to go?